Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. Got a cool product for you guys today that I want to feature. It's our different intercooler pipe upgrade options that we have for the 2011 to 2016 Powerstroke guys. The 2011 to 2016 Powerstrokes are notorious for the intercooler pipe that cracks, that's plastic from the factory. And I'd like to feature a couple options here for you guys today for just that side, as well as a complete kit option that we have available. So the first product I want to feature for you today is our ZZ-11-W-01. It is a stainless intercooler pipe upgrade with your aluminum CNC machine fitting that goes directly on your intake. All of this works together in conjunction with all of the O-ring and clamp pieces that it requires to go on there and fix a cracked intercooler pipe, or if you just want to upgrade it. As many of you guys know, your factory intercooler pipe, I don't have one in front of me today, but they're plastic. They look similar to this mass of stuff here, but they'll crack, they'll cause check engine lights, or you might be stranded on the side of the road pulling your horse trailer. Who knows what it is that you've got going on, and it causes loss of power and everything. This is one of our #1 sellers. Everybody loves this product because it is stainless, and it's an easy installation. This piece, when you do go in to install it, though, it does have an O-ring that goes inside here into the groove. These sometimes you might want to put a light film of grease in there when you go to install them. They can be very tight to get on. They're designed to be very tight like that, so you don't lose any boost pressure or anything. Second off, I'd like to go on to our ZZ-11-136-P. This is an upgrade kit as well, but it is all aluminum. So we have an aluminum piece here. As you can tell, it's a little bit different. It's actually TIG welded as compared to our other product that I just showed you. Aluminum piece here as well. That's the intercooler pipe, as well as a lot of silicone hoses here that help to make this more pliable. Some guys like this option and want to be able to move everything in there a little bit easier. So this is another option for you guys on your 2011 to 2016 Powerstroke. Lastly, I'd like to move on to our ZZ-11-135. This kit here is everything. So what you just seen over there, this includes that piece, which is here and here, as well as the other pieces to do the hot and cold side on your intercooler piping. Guys like this because sometimes they're just trying to dress up their engine bay. They don't want to do a complete intercooler pipe upgrade kit that is offered by some other companies out there, and they just want something that's affordable. All of these are super affordable, great upgrades for your truck, fix cracking issues, and don't have the problems that you had previously with your 11 to 16 Powerstroke. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688. You can find all these products online at zzdiesel.com.